Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when you can't find your Metapixel when creating ads. If you're missing your Metapixel, follow these steps carefully. First, go to Business Settings from the bottom left corner. Click on All Business Settings. Scroll down a bit on the page. Now click on Data Sources. Next, click on Datasets and Pixels. From here, choose the pixel you want to use. Click on Connected Assets. Then click on Connect Assets. This will open the Other Business Assets section. From the list, choose the ad account you want to use to run your ads. Now click the Add button. And that's it. Your Metapixel is now connected and you'll be able to use it when creating your ads. The pixel should now appear when you're setting up your ad campaigns. This solution works if your pixel exists but isn't showing up in the ad creation process. Make sure you have the correct permissions to manage both the pixel and the ad account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Facebook and Meta advertising tutorials. See you in the next video.